B. Lama Yamma Robert Witt. In short, the llama is dead. He is not in the body. He went to America. I don't think he returned from there. The ER robbed something over there. They will wait in the future, and Yamma is whose home we are going to. We are desperately working for Satan. Maybe they wired him with IT, he's not aware of it. Maybe he's in the body, but he doesn't know now he's mind controlled. This is not why the llama. This is not why the llama robbed. It is why was the llama robbed, wiring him to IT. Mr. Llama, you are only as good as your brains functioning. Your brains with your little casket of a body functions like whatever else it is. Your body to shows the world it is you. But your brains are not working as of you brewery. It's also possible may or it's possible yam. Mali. He's Maya, right? Maya Lo. He's no more. EP means it's his conscience that is being played. He's not there anymore. He's got something else, a bot which stands in for him. He himself is not there. He's no more in the body, according to my understanding. And if our CID doesn't understand these basic things, I don't know why they have a job. Basically, there is somebody of a very low standing of society who is standing in for the real Mr. Maya. इन्होंने यहाँ पे चोरी किया है, ये कंपनी जो है डिफंक्ट है. It is only a show. There is nobody who is the founder who is alive today. Not even my father's sister running the show. Not even her own children. It's a great grand beast. I don't know about her daughter-in-law called Shambhavi. Shambhavi को क्या renounce करना है हमको पता नहीं है. कैसे renounce करना है ये भी हमको पता नहीं है. Most people in my family are dead. What we have are domestic helps who have shape-shifted their way with the help of Rao to keep them quiet, giving them one leg up from the slums of Bombay so that she can be comfortable. Her entire army of bullshit is from the slums of Bombay, connected also to the film industry of shit. Bollywood, Tollywood, Bollywood crap. How the CID, CBI is not able to sort it, I cannot understand. You know how late we are? You know when Roy was harassed? अब तू रॉय को अगर सोचता है bad आदमी है, I will not comment, I don't know anything. Only if you tell me what you know, then I can tell you what I know. And then we can make sense of it. On my own, I can't do it. I can only do as much as the reading shows. But if a man is dead and he's not a bad man, फिर उसको ना एक bad name नहीं देते हैं. This thing also I know. क्या है? The RTI was a figment created by people of low standing. The law brought in the RTI on Maya because through that they could do the confusion and take things that were not theirs. तुमने सॉर्ट आउट क्या किया है? एक्सेप्ट चोरी वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ हुआ है. अब जो चोर चोर बोले, आदमी तो बड़ा हुआ है. चोर चोर बोल के पूरा फॉर्स को गुमराह कर दे, डाइवर्ट करे, डाइवर्ट करे. और चोर बैठा है यूनाइटेड ब्रूरीज यूबी सिटी में, pretending to not remember anything. Where have you done your job? Now that is the United Breweries. What about the other places, like Siddharth? Do you realize as a force you will be blamed? Some part of that bad karma will be appropriated to you? Are you aware of it? You know, I am not a deciding factor. I myself will be decided for. I'm just telling you from the spiritual point of view how things are decided. I'm not the deciding factor. I myself will be decided for in a similar manner. I'm guessing that because there is no way of proving to you something, Shirdi Sai Baba's got me to be the worker doing this so that messages can come out so you can do your job. Because then I will be booked for wrong karma. Because after all, if I'm the only Advani left behind, my grandfather's complaining. It means the spirit realm is not happy. And they say that you were alive, you were the body. Why didn't you communicate it? But I say, how do I? I don't have proof. And I don't know what to do. So then everybody gets tied. And I get tied. For bad karma, which I didn't do. So what Shirdi Sai Baba has done is, connected with the spirit realm, he's put me to do this kind of work. To throw light on areas where those who are meant to in the 3D level do their job. This gives you guidance where you can look and where you can see, where you can try and find where the mistakes are. That's why. That's why he's trying to pull me out of bad karma. Maya वो रॉब. Board is Sanjeev Lekhraj, Sanjeev Rajan Lekhraj, who I told you has shape-shifted for this guy. But this guy, according to me, is dead. He's no more. That's what his skin is not this man's skin, it is this man's skin. Don't play these sounds in my body, I'm telling you. You are garbage, garbage, garbage of the highest order. Worstest of the worstest. was in the hotel room with.